Hey everybody, Dr. Burks here. So now we've got the second trial of the mixture with 1 gram of the unknown. So we're basically just repeating what we did in that last video. So it's already up above 90 degrees. So I'm just gonna pull it out and let it start cooling down. So let me get it all set up here so that way we can see our thermometer. And drop this down a little bit. All right, so now you can see the thermometer here. Let me get it focused. So right now it's a little above 90. So you're gonna start recording when it gets down to 85. And remember, you're gonna record it every 30 seconds from that point on until you have 4 points that are a plateau. So I'm gonna start stirring this. So we're almost down to 85. All right, so last video, Dr. C played you a lot of movie soundtrack themes and made you guess what they were. I'm just gonna be like a radio DJ and play some random stuff that I like. So you're gonna be stuck listening to it. Let's see. Oh, yeah. All right, so the first song we're gonna listen to is called 24 Frames by Jason Isbell, who's a songwriter from Alabama, but this song won a Grammy a few years ago. He also wrote one of the songs that Bradley Cooper sings in A Star Is Born. Pretty popular songwriter now. But this is his song 24 Frames. I feel like a radio DJ. This is a commercial, never mind. 3, 2, all right, here we go.
This is how you make yourself vanish into nothing. And this is how you make yourself worthy of the love that she gave to you back when you didn't know the beautiful thing. And this is how you make yourself call your mother. And this is how you make yourself closer to your brother. Remember him back when he was small enough to help you sing. You thought God was an architect. Now you know it's something like a pipe bomb ready to blow. And everything you built is all for show goes up in flames in 24 frames. This is how you see yourself floating on the ceiling. This is how you help her when her heart stops beating. What happened to the party you noticed every changing wind? This is how you talk to her when no one else is listening. This is how you help her when the news goes missing. You vanish so she can go drowning in a dream again. You thought God was an architect. Now you know it's something like a pipe bomb ready to blow. And everything you built so for show goes up in flames in 24 frames.
All right, so we're starting to get a little crystallization here in our test tube that you can't really see yet. So you might want to go ahead and write down what the temperature is now that we start crystallization. So that was Jason Isbell, his song 24 Frames. He also wrote the song Cover Me Up that Morgan Wallen covered and became popular with. But Jason Isbell wrote that several years ago. So this next song is my favorite band. It's a song called All Your Favorite Bands, and the band is called Dawes, D-A-W-E-S. Let me get this going.
There's a terrible curse that plagues guitar players once they reach the intermediate stage. I call it guitar playing.
Getting good at getting these ads here. All right.
Late night drives and hot French fries and friends around the country, from Charlottesville to good old Santa Fe. When I think of you, you still got on that hat that says let's party. I hope that thing is never thrown away. I hope that life without a chaperone is what you thought it'd be. I hope your brother's El Camino runs forever. I hope the world sees the same person that you've always been to me. And may all your favorite bands stay together. I'm just waking up and I'm not thinking clearly, so don't quote me. One eye open, I'm writing you this song. Ain't it funny how some people pop into your head so easily? I haven't seen you in there for so long. I hope that life without a chaperone is what you thought it'd be. I hope your brother's El Camino runs forever. I hope the world sees the same person that you always were to me. May all your favorite bands stay together. Hope that life without a chaperone is what you thought it'd be. I hope your brother's El Camino runs forever. I hope the world sees the same person that you always were to me. May all your favorite bands stay together. May all your favorite bands stay together.
All right, so that's Dolls and their song "All Your Favorite Bands." So think at this point you should be getting close to having 4 points at the same temperature you haven't already. It's getting pretty hard to stir; it's almost all completely solidified. But we'll still give it another couple minutes to make sure that you have your 4 points at the same temperature. And the last song, just for like the last little bit before we finish up. So this is a song called Running on Empty by Jackson Browne, who's one of my other favorite songwriters. You might recognize it from the Forrest Gump soundtrack. All right, so you should have 4 points at the same temperature. So we're gonna go ahead and stop this video here. Now that we've completely thrown off Dr. C's YouTube algorithm on our computer. So we'll stop this video here and we'll do the unknown with 2 grams in the next video.